Hello friends, welcome to Fit and Fab Mommy channel. Today's recipe is overnight chia oats jar. Calorie restrictions diets don't work and instead create more problems. Most people go on a diet, they try a particular one, lose some weight and then plateau, bringing upon themselves more repetitive work stress, failure and inability to keep up. When you are nutritionally starved, your body turns on the fat storing switch. You will be nutritionally starved if you eat the wrong food. Quality and quantity both matters, or have a poor digestive system that cannot break down and assimilate nutrients from your food. You stay hungry as your body yearns nutrients that it needs to do its job to power cells to work and to stoke the metabolism. This recipe is a weight loss recipe too. You can lose weight and gain good health by replacing your normal breakfast with the oats. Oats are packed with many nutrients and fiber. Oats will help you feel fuller for longer than any other foods. Oats are low in glycemic index and of course low in calories. It contains fiber which is great for digestive health. You can include fruits and nuts to increase the fiber value of your breakfast. Chia seeds are loaded with omega 3 and packed with the antioxidants. Chia seeds have almost 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have almost 10 grams of fiber. So dear friends, just add a healthy fruit to it and you are good to go for a healthy nutritional packed breakfast recipe. Please friends, don't skip your breakfast and add at least 30 minutes of any type of physical activity to your routine to see a visible difference in your routine. Now we are going to start our recipe here. The chia seed overnight oats jar recipe contains very less ingredients. Let's start the recipe. I took 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a little bit of cocoa powder to sprinkle after finishing, and 4 tablespoons of oats. I took whole oats in a jar, 1 glass of low fat milk. The choice of milk is up to you. Now add the chia seeds into a small bowl. Pour some milk on it. Give a nice stir. What we are doing is we are soaking chia seeds into a liquid. This is the important step where chia seeds absorb the liquid and swell up nicely. We should give a 30-minute time for this process. So keep it aside. After 30 minutes, look how chia seeds absorb the milk and soak nicely. Now add the milk in oats. Because these oats are uncooked, so we are adding some liquid here and we are making some room to again swell up chia seeds, because when we are putting this chia seed jar in the fridge in overnight, it will again swell up. So please pour some extra liquid so that chia seeds and oats will nicely soaked and absorbed all the milk. Now keep your jar in the refrigerator and morning I will show you how it look like. In morning, the chia seeds and soak absorb nicely in the milk. Oats also. Give a nice stir. Look how nicely it's soaked up. Here I took 5 to 7 almonds and roughly chopped it. Now add these almonds. Adding nuts to your diet is also a very good option. Nuts are loaded with the good fat. Now I'm taking half banana. If you have a small banana, you can take one whole banana. Banana is also an optional option. If you have any other fruits, you are good to go. Now add the leftover nuts. As I like a little bit chocolate taste, so I'm sprinkling a little bit of cocoa powder. If you don't like, it's completely optional. Don't add it. Now for a little bit of sweetness, I'm adding honey. Again, it's up to you. Bananas are more enough in this recipe for giving sweetness. But if you want more, a little bit extra sweetness, then add honey. So friends, here our powerful jar is ready. I'm sprinkling a little bit of pumpkin seeds on top. It's also optional. So here a complete oats chia jar is ready, and very easy and efficient way to add your diet. Hope you like the video.